Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, yellow color, black color, green color, brown color, blue color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A for apple, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now it is C for cat, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw D for dog. Kids, now draw E for elephant, and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw F for fish. Kids, now draw G for goat, and use green color. H for helicopter, and again use green color. Kids, now draw I for ice cream, and use green color. Kids, now draw J for jackfruit, and use brown color. K for king, and use brown color. Kids, now draw L for lion, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw M for moon. Kids, now draw N for nest, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw O for orange. Kids, now draw P for parrot, and use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw Q for queen. Kids, now draw R for rose, and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw S for sun. Kids, now draw T for teacher, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw U for umbrella. Kids, now draw V for vanilla, and use brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw W for wolf. Kids, now draw X for X-ray, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw Y. Y for yak. Kids, now I draw Z. Z for zebra. And again use blue color. Blue color. Kids, now I draw numbers. And first you draw 1. O-N-E. 1. And use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T-W-O. 2. Kids, now I draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use yellow color. Yellow color. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Kids, now I draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use black color. Black color. Kids, again use black color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. Kids, now I draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. Kids, now I draw 9. The numbers of 9. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids, again use brown color and last you draw 10. The numbers of 10. T, E, and 10. Kids, today you draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.